Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset that is, your display. So, start the vehicle, we'll wait just a moment for everything to load, and you can use these to select as well as if the touchscreen's working, but we'll go to settings, and then we'll just scroll down until we see return to factory settings, and push enter or click. And then you can clear out all your different things here. Reset vehicle settings is here. Push enter again. And then from here you could either touch screen it, or from here. I don't want to actually reset this particular vehicle, but from here you would hit restore. And then after say like 30 seconds or so, it'll just automatically run through your reset, and that's it. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hopefully this fixes whatever issue you're having with your interface. Hope you have a great day.